Hey, James with Detailed Image. Cleaning the inside of your windows can be one of the most frustrating parts of your detailing regimen. We've all struggled in trying to obtain that haze and streak-free finish. After years of trial and error, I now have a two-step method on how to properly clean your glass. Spray the glass cleaner liberally onto a glass-specific short nap towel. Wipe in overlapping passes, being mindful of all those corners. In this first step, we are just concentrating on removing the dirt from the glass. Don't worry about streaks, we are just trying to get the glass clean. With the glass slightly damp from the previous step, grab a longer nap microfiber towel and wipe down the glass to reveal the streak-free finish. Inspect the glass with an LED light and touch up as needed.